The topic on which I want to speak is dowry system in Islam. Dowry is an amount of money or property which in some countries a man's family gives to the man who marries. Dowry is a major issue that affects many Muslim families today. Even the demanding dowry is an Islamic. The Quran clearly prohibits when slaughter massacre. Both are forbidden and legal and has been translated as alcohol. Both are forbidden and legal. Will has been translated as alcohol. Will massacre has been translated as gambling. At the time when the Quran was being revealed, gambling was perhaps the only way of making money without any effort or capital. That is why the term massacre has been generally taken to be synonymous with gambling. Actually, however, all form of making is money without any effort or massacre and therefore are haram or forbidden in Islam. This included not just gambling but all other such means, including demanding dowry being form of a massacre. This practice is thus haram or forbidden for Muslims. A second point to consider is this regard is that girls generally love their parents initially and remain emotionally attached to them after marriage. If a girl gets married into a family that demands dowry, she will never forget the difficulties of her parents faced in trying to meet their would-be spouse dowry demands. Such a girl comes into her husband with deep sorrow in her heart, and so she can never truly love her husband and his family. Men who accept and demand dowry from their would-be spouse partner the prospects of a happy marital relationship for a marriage, some money, a vehicle and some pieces of furniture. Perhaps they don't have faith in that they can earn themselves, or maybe they don't have faith in God Allah, the provider. What can be a bigger example of the emasculation of a money? The dowry system is the greatest curse for the Muslim society. It is the fount of both a poor and rich community, because these girls dowry these girls being by society, girls are burned. The poor parents are suffering by financial difficulties, large quantity cases of going in court. Therefore, it is high time to take a centennial to pass state laws for the exemplary punishment of offenders. I hope that people will come forward to raise their voice against the dowry system in